Hello guys, welcome to Damn Fast. Today we have one of my all-time favorite vehicles of all time, namely the Audi RS3, and this is the 2015 model year, so it's a pre-facelift and it's pre-OPF filter. So I mean, listen to the sound of the RS3. This just sounds a lot more aggressive than the new ones with the OPF filter. So this one is built from 2015 to 2018, and afterwards they get the OPF filter. But right now we are going to make a 0 to 100 video to test what the 0 to 100 time will be with the Draggy system. We made a walk around and we made a sound video. So but right now it's time to test the 0 to 100. And by the way, we have some nice new Damn Fast merch. Look at that, it's available in the Damn Fast store right now, so check that out. We have loads of other stuff like sticker packs, hoodies, mugs for at the office and stuff like that, and we are constantly putting new products into the store. So this car is a 2015 Audi RS3. We have the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine, turbocharged of course, with 367 horsepower. This car is all stock, so we have 465 Newton meters combined with the 7-speed DSG transmission with launch control, and this car is just a beast. So to engage the launch control, you have to put it into sport, you have to disengage traction control, and you just have to floor the throttle while pressing the brake. So let's try the 0 to 100. This is the 0 to 100 of the 2015 Audi RS3 Sportback. I mean, this car is such an animal. We already did some driving for the review. But right now we are going to do the second attempt. So I'm actually really curious. So press the brake, full throttle, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. So guys, this car actually did a pretty nice job. Like from factory, they tell you that it has to do the 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. But today we actually managed to do a 4.1. So congrats to that, Audi. And yeah, this was today's video of the Audi RS3. I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any questions or recommendations for us, just please let us know in the comments below. Also, the owner of this car has his own Instagram channel, which you can find in the description below as well. And of course, don't forget to check out our other videos also with this car and lots of other cars. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.